Hey friends, if you encounter the error Roblox Error Code 277 network issue, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So first you need to close the Roblox window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then make a restart of your Windows. So a simple restart can usually fix a lot of issues. Now after you have restarted your Windows, try to see if the problem has been fixed, but if not, then move to the next solutions. In the Windows search bar, type here CMD, best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here, type ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. It's ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and hit on enter. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Just type exit, hit enter, and then just make a restart of your Windows after that. Then press the Windows key and R button together. Here in the run window, type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Now here in the network connections, you need to look for the connection that you are connected to. It could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Just make a right click and then select Properties. Now here you will find IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4. Click on that and then click on Properties. Then here in the IPv4 properties, click this button. Use the following DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, we are going to use the Google's public DNS or the Google's DNS server. So type here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate, it should be 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK. OK once again, close this windows. Then if you have different connections on your place or at your home, then you have to switch. Let's say for example, you have more connections right here, then try switching into another network. Or if you are using Wi-Fi, try to switch into mobile data and see if your problem has been fixed. Then also, we need to make sure that our Windows is up to date. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on Windows Update. Then here, check for updates. We also need to make sure that our Windows is up to date. So might as well, you need to update your Windows. Once done, simply close this. And for the last method is we are going to uninstall the application. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Then here, just search for Roblox. Click on these three dots, select uninstall and then uninstall once again. So once you have uninstalled the application, just simply bring up your favorite browser. Could be Edge, Chrome, or Firefox. And type here roblox.com and hit on enter. And just simply sign up right here with your account. And then simply log in and then try to reinstall the Roblox application into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.